This is exactly it is. We found the hidden gem. There you go.
Realize it's over, it's not the
What back na? Supposedly we are not. I mean, we shouldn't be here. But the Grab driver like took us in the wrong route. We should just be across the river.
I think we go right. I think this will take us down. If Google Maps can be trusted. Where are we at?
Or in what now? Where the biggest Buddha is located? We're looking for a nice spot to take a photo. It's free here, babe. There's no entrance, right?
Yeah.
That's nice. Here's the cafe. Sometimes I would here. Here?
Yeah. Sometimes what?
I get confused about Sawadika and Kapun.
It's hard, right?
That guy told me I didn't I was supposed to say hello. Hello. This is exactly it is. We found the hidden gem. There you go.
So you got your pictures now?
Yeah, thank you. I'm happy now.
Tomorrow is all for pictures as well. Tell it Malay.
Yeah. I think you'll be more tired there. I'm gonna let you take another 100 photos of me. That's what I'm feeling. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. That is a great soda.
Ooh. That's a big one too.
Yeah. I think it's like 1 liter for 40 pesos. Yeah.
Yeah. I should take a photo of you here.
She got some shopping done. She's a girl in the city now. She's so used to this. Now she even found our train station.
First train ride.
First train ride.
Ever too in my life.
Wow. All right, let's go buy a ticket. We made it. Let's see. Classic Filipino, you have to talk to 3 people.
Mm-hmm.
But you made it.
Yeah, I know. Better to ask than
Yeah, true.
not knowing anything. Like, inside there, you'll take a photo of me.
That was pretty easy though.
Mm-hmm. That's so. This is ours and already.
I think they take it inside or something. It says property of Murta.
Just hide it for a little while.
You might need it to get on the bus. Or the train is going to be here in like 2 minutes. I'll hold it. Where are we now?
We're in. Wait. just on our street. What's the name of this bar?
Motu something?
Moto Bangkok? I think Moto Bangkok, yeah. So we're just in time for the happy hour.
What are we getting?
Buy two, get one free. So we're having mango daiquiri, Long Island, and Bangkok Twilight.
Wow. 3 drinks.
Buy two, get one. Very social. We're having social drinks for today. It's really good.
That's your mango daiquiri?
Try it. It's good. No.
It's good.
What's next? This? The Long Island. Oops. Oh, look. I think you like this.
That's
Super
all I
strong.
have. Yeah, it tastes pretty strong.
Look at this. This is the highlight. It's very beautiful. It got flower, pineapple, and some leaves. Look at the straw.
Yeah.
It's really good, big.
It's strong too.
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know which one's supposed to be which, but they're both good. Yeah, which one do you like the best?
I like the mango daiquiri.
Realize it's over, over. It's not the way I choose to live, and something somewhere's got to give. And sharing this relationship gets older, older.
I think it should be better if it was shrimp, the tom yum. No?
Yeah. That's what I said at first.
Really?
I said shrimp, and you're like, what should we get? And I was like, chicken, I guess?
You said I only hear the chicken. I didn't understand the last two meats. That's why I look at you.
What are we getting?
Tom yum. It's on my list.
Uh-huh.
Tom yum noodles, and then my favorite pad krapao. But this time it's different. It's beef.
Yeah. That'd be good.
You remember it's super good too last night. This is our Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, fourth night. Fourth night in Tawarika.
Yeah.
And we're eating again beside the canal. But a clean canal. And you're drinking a local beer. Cha. You like it?
It's actually nice.
This is different from what you drank yesterday.
Yeah.
This is like a classic
This
beer.
is much better.
Ooh, let me think. This is probably like similar to Red Horse. Yesterday it wasn't like this, right?
Yeah.
Maybe this is more expensive too. I don't know.
Maybe.
I'm so excited to eat.
What's our breakfast tomorrow again?
We're gonna go to Halatnoy. Or is it Songwat first?
No, that's at night. Halatnoy and
Halatnoy.
Fat Boy is in the morning.
Yeah, and then the BACC. No, BACC is... Well, if we still have time, we could go there.
Okay.
Doesn't matter. Wow! Here comes my favorite! Pad Krapao. I actually learned that Pad Krapao has like... Maybe it's like just how you cook a meat, right, babe? But I thought you could just use the ground pork. But here they have beef and other selections such as shrimp and chicken. You should try it first because that's your order. Oh, you got this spicy sauce. It's not Thailand without spicy. Oh, that's a lot, dude. First bite. How is it, darling?
The basil is so good.
Nothing beats a pad kapaw.
It's so salty.
Salty?
It's good.
I thought it's bad salt. Oh, look at the egg. Wow. Oh, the tom yum is coming.
Okay. Tom yum soup.
Yeah.
Kaon ka.
Ah, there's no noodles. Oh, there it is. I was about to get sad. I don't want to eat the chilies. It's super spicy. Mm. Mm. Mm.
Is that like the best sisig? Or no,
Pagkapaho. Mm. And the sauce is this salty one, babe. Try it with the sauce alone. What's the next dish?
this tom yum.
Tom yum, but we chose chicken. Ooh, try it. That's good. That's a good hangover soup. Is it spicy?
No, it's tomatoey.
Oh, really?
It's like a tomato soup. You
That's the
try it.
taste.
Very limey.
Mmm. Spicy, wait. Oh. That's a good soup after drinking. I think all foods here have lime.
Yes.
Ah. I don't taste tomato.
No, maybe it's just chilies.
It's really good. Wow.
It's the review. It's really good.
Everything's good.